Today's business complexity makes it extremely difficult for any individual working alone to achieve his goals. It's all about teamwork, whether the team is you and a peer or Norfolk Southern and its customers. Now, achieving goals requires resources and cooperation. Now, resources are scarce, and cooperation can be thwarted through misunderstanding or mistrust. Strong communication skills permit you to alleviate the misunderstanding and identify the seeds of mistrust. Once that's done, others are much more likely to commit resources to your valuable idea when they understand the benefits it will bring and can see a path to its success. In addition to facilitating other tasks, strong communication skills are a value in and of themselves. Your ability to absorb a situation, boil it down to its essential components, and convey those components to others adds value over and above any particular job skills that you may possess. In short, being able to communicate clearly, concisely, and persuasively is an essential job skill and essential to achieving your personal and professional goals. Now, these skills are not natural for most of us. Like any skill, they have to be honed through repetition and directed practice. Unfortunately, you as an individual are not always in the best position to judge your own performance or identify your strengths and weaknesses. And the workplace usually doesn't provide the candid feedback that's essential to your improvement. That's where Toastmasters comes in. By combining a structured and safe environment and lots of repetition, any individual, any member has the ability to improve her skills, gain confidence, and become a more valued member of her organization, whether that organization is her family, her community, or Norfolk Southern.